Hi everyone and welcome. If you don't know me, my name is Chris with Daily Dose of DIY, and tonight we are going to talk about the Cricut Crafters Club. We're going to do an unboxing for our September box. I have the box right here. It was a white box this month because we needed a little bit bigger box. So I'm super excited to show you that. I started the Cricut Crafters Club. As you come in, say hi and tell me where you're from first. But I started the Cricut Crafters Club because I saw a need with Cricut Crafters. I have all kinds of free tutorials on how to use your Cricut on my blog. I also have this handy dandy book that shows you everything you need to do to use your Cricut in easy to follow diagrams. But there's still people that you work better with more like a hands-on approach, right? I still hear I don't know where to start or I don't know what to do. There's that, and I've heard a lot of I don't know what to buy or where to get it, and that's really why I wanted to start this club, for those people that work better like with a little bit more of a hands-on approach, even though I can't be right there, and a lot in this world you can't go to personal classes. But this is just a way to fill that need, and it saves you time. That is probably the number one complaint. It saves you time because everything you need to make a project is going to be shipped right to your door, and you get to use new materials. You do new projects and some things that you might not know but have done before, and you get to learn as you go. So there's more to the Cricut Crafters Club than just the box, but we'll get that to that soon. I wanted to show you, this is the last month I'm taking new members. I started this in the middle of the summer, and it's pretty been much open to new members since then. However, as we get closer to the holidays, I need to know exactly how much I need to order of things, of not only the boxes, but the stuff in there, so that I can order them now, because I want to make this the best experience for you that I can. So after this month, after the 20th, which is Monday, we're not taking any more new members. So if you would like to get in, now is your chance. That way you won't miss all the fun Christmas stuff we might have coming up, just saying. But I'm going to switch to show you what else you get with that box, and it comes with switch screens here, the membership area, and if you scroll down, you'll see each box we've done here, and you can click on them. Like in August we did s'mores, and it will take you to all the tutorials. I break them up step by step. And you see over here on the other screen too, there's a place where you can download your SVG files, and all the videos are broken down step by step. Now, I'm a type of person that videos aren't my number one preferred way of learning, but I love this platform that they are on because they do several things. I'm moving my controls out of the way. So one of the things I wanted to show you that makes me love it is you can search. If you've watched the videos and then you think, well, I can't remember what she did to do at that step. This is why I hate videos, right? You have to go back and then you have to find that video, and you have to find the exact spot in that video of the instructions you want. But on this website, if you type in what you're searching for, like if you needed the instructions on the heat press and you hit return, it will bring up every video that I mention heat press. So let's say we were making our s'more station. And then over here on the right, you get a transcript.
I'm sure it's been that long just talking to you.
Let me pause it real quick. Okay. You get a transcript. It mentions where it shows you every time I've mentioned heat press. So you can kind of skim through, and then if you think, okay, this right here, that's what I needed more help with. If you click on that, it takes you to that exact spot in the video. So you don't have to spend forever and ever searching.
This should be cool.
So that is one fun feature. Another thing you can do on the videos, if you think maybe you know how to do it, but you want to see how I do it and you don't have a lot of time, this is another time saver. You can click on this little 1x down here and choose your speed. So you can go up to 2 times the video speed and watch them in half the time.
You can peel this off of our bag
and make me sound like a chipmunk. You can totally do that. The other thing you can do is if you go into settings, if you are good with listening and reading at the same time, that helps me. You can turn captions on.
Maybe I need to increase my tap. Is that Caesar Easy Weed? If
it keeps on pausing. Okay, there you can see. So then also while you're watching the video, you can read the captions. I moved all my stuff around and now I don't know how back to get. Okay. So that is the membership area. You can also, if you don't want the box, you can also do the membership area. We have that option too. Now I'm going to really quick see if I can find the SVG files so I can show you what SVGs came in this month's box. Or should I open the box first? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. See if I can find them. I'm not showing you my screen now because I have about 1,000,001 things in my downloads folder, and I know that will make some of you guys twitch. Okay, let's go back and see if we can screen share, if you can see this. So here are the different SVGs, and they came in, I'm going to give part of it away. The box all had to do with fall, and the SVGs come in 2 different styles this month. They don't always come in 2 different styles. That was a flower we made. We also, in this box, we did stencils. So we included the stencil version in the SVG files for you too. So every month you get at least 10 commercial use SVGs and the step-by-step video instructions and everything that comes in the box so you can make the project. So I'm going to switch again to my overhead camera. Hi Wendy, how are you doing? And we're going to take a look and see what's in this box. Let me move that out of my way. If you're interested in, you want more information, you can text club to 419-318-8467, or after this video is over, I will add the link and everything you need in the description. Okay, I feel like I need a drum roll. Hi Cheryl, thanks for watching. I see it's your first time. Hi Tina. So as I mentioned, it was a fall themed box. So here was our insert for the fall, and you can also use this for your decor if you want to put it on your refrigerator or add it to a frame. The flip side of your insert will tell you what inspired the box, everything in the box, and it gives you a QR code to scan if you do QR codes to take you straight to those videos. So nice and easy peasy. Move some packaging out of the way. So for fall, this box also has like a secondary theme of gnomes and sunflowers. So each box contained this cute little fall gnome with a sunflower on his head. And I do have extras of these. I will add to the description. I have extra gnomes and I have extra signs. So if you didn't get this box and you want these, you can order them. Or if you did get the box and you want more. Hello, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to probably butcher your name, but I'm going to say it's Sadaria. I don't know if that's even close, but welcome. Thanks Cheryl, I thought he was cute too. As soon as I saw him, I was like, how can I incorporate that in a box? So what we did with the gnome is made with paper a little fall bunting to tie to him to add to our fall decor. So this was the gnome. I'll set him back here. We also are painting a sign, if you didn't get that clue from the stencils. So I shipped you the black paint, teal paints. Hi, Tammy. Orange paint and ivory paint. Yes, some come with the pigtails. I think, yes, I have both of them here. Some come with the beard like this for the gnome, and the other one is pigtails. So you have your option on ordering it, which one you want. I don't have very many of the bearded ones as much as I do the pigtail ones though. So you got the paint to paint your sign. Also a pack of paintbrushes, 4 different sizes. We have our wood sign. Hi Vicki, thanks for tuning in. That is framed on one side. Actually guys, when I purchased this, it was sold as you use this side. But when I got it, I thought, well, that looks like a cute little framed sign. So for a lot of them, I used the framed side myself. But you could totally do fall on this side and Christmas on this side, and then you just flip it over. It will sit on the shelf. It's a shelf sitter. It will stand up straight. Now, if you have dogs and boys like I do, when they run through, it might fall over, but it is a shelf sitter. Here are, I didn't stack these very well, some of the signs that I made with our, and then of course you can see the sunflower, that's part of it. With the frame painted, that SVG was included this month. This one I left the frame natural and did a pumpkin. We also stenciled on paper. And then this one's another painted one that says Fall Vibes. I think one of these I did the back, yes. And then one of them I still did fall, but I did the back side too. That says Hello Fall. But I'm totally going to do one of them Christmas to make it easy to flip over. I like easy. Okay, let me get those out of the way. We also got in this little bag sponges to help with painting the stencil. They're stuck in there. We got a paper quilling tool that helped to make the sunflowers. The rope to use your bunting. And then I always include a sweet treat for you to suck on while you're crafting. And a sticker after you finish this box. You get the She's So Crafty sticker as your reward. You can put on your cups or your computers or wherever you want. So that bag was a sticker, a quilling tool, 2 sponges. It's not going to go back in all nice. And the rope. Then we got a pack of paper with yellow and black to make our sunflowers. And here's an example of the sunflowers we made. That SVG file was included also. And finally on the bottom is our Mylar. We did not use vinyl stencils this time. We learned how to cut Mylar and make reusable stencils. I also did a tutorial on, I provided all of the SVGs as a stencil like I showed you, and then I also did a tutorial showing everybody how they could make their own. So here's kind of some of my used stencils, what they look like after they're cut out of Mylar. Of course they don't have a sticky back, but that's where the sponges come in. You can still get nice crisp lines, as you can see, with a Mylar stencil, and you can reuse it over and over and over again. So that you got the Mylar, the paper pack, the wood frame, and I have extras of these wood frames too, guys. I will put that link in there. You got the paint that came in a bag. This bag of goodies I jumbled up. A gnome and the pack of paintbrushes. And that was our September box. So you can see how they all follow a theme. Switch back. They all follow a theme and go together. In summer, we did a summer fun box with a beach tote. We made hat patches and car coasters. In August, we made a s'mores box that was really fun that could either be used for s'mores or decor, and it came with s'more sticks. So every box is a lot of fun to make. We get to essentially make them together, right? In this COVID world, we have a Facebook group where you can ask questions. I just did another video tutorial in there right before I went live here showing everybody how to add fonts to Design Space. So you get all of that in the Cricut Crafters Club, and this is the last month you can join. My children forgot that I'm live and they're calling and texting me. That's the last, this is the last month you can join until January 2021. Like I said, I need to make sure I can get all the product here, so I want to start ordering now, and I need to know how much I can order. So after October 20th, we will not be accepting, or September, I'm sorry. My mind goes ahead to my October box and I forget what month we're on. After September 20th, we will close orders and you will start getting boxes in October, and then you can't join again until January. Now every month we have usually 1 or 2 people that unsubscribe. That just happens, it's naturally. So there's a chance I will send out an email and say, hey, we have 1 open spot or 2 open spots, but you would have to be like the first person probably to see that email if you want in. So the best time to do it is now. Hi, Nadia and Joetta. So if you have any questions, leave them here. I will come back and answer them. You can text. I don't know where my little, I don't have my number memorized. I don't even know where it went. I think I had to be on my overhead to see it. Yes. You can text club to 419-318-8467, or I will put it in the description as soon as this live ends. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.